Hello friend, in this video we will cover how to consume RESTful web service in Spring Boot application. Here I have created basic package structure for two Spring Boot application. One is the order and another is the product. So before saving the order or before processing the order, I'll ask to product application product is available or not. If product will available, then I'll save the order. Otherwise, I will display the message to user. This product is not available. Try after some time or whatever your business message. So now we will check with basic package structure of product service. So simply this is a basic package structure. This is for Java classes. This is for resource like dot properties file, XML file or etc. Or this is for our unit test cases. So in that I also provided the basic package structure. So this is the main package, and this we have the application starting point. So we define the main method, and this is our controller class, and this is the DTO class. Or you can also you can add many more packaging as per your requirement for like repository, helper or other. So from controller class I created the REST controller, and the REST controller I marked with the REST controller annotation, and I provided the base URL product, and this is the method I'll call from the order service. This will tell about product availability. If product is available, this will return true. If it is not available, then it will return a false. So from here you can make the call to the database etc. from service to repository, or you can find out the information about product. But right now for example I just considered if ID we will get below 10, then it will return true, else it will return false. So I used for that path variable that will read the ID value. Okay, so now I'll start this application. So simply I can start it as a Spring Boot app. Okay, so here you can see application is started on port 8081. That port I provided in our dot properties file. Okay, simply you can also, if you want to change your port, so you can change from dot properties file by using server dot port. Default it will run on 808. So for ordered service we will not provide, so it will run default on 808 port. If you want to provide, you can provide it, so no problem. Now we will move on the browser. So on browser I will paste, I just first want to test from the browser. Okay, so I'll paste suppose ID and this, and I provided the port here. Okay, so you can see we got the false, and if I provide the below 10 ID, for example 9, then we can got true. So I can say our applications working fine, I mean product application. Now how we can consume this RESTful web services in a Spring Boot application. So we will move on the product application. So in order application, same packaging as I provided. So here I just did a configuration for a REST template inside the order application. This is the starting point of any Spring Boot application. So here I configured the REST template by using the bean annotation. So now this will initialize from the Spring container, and we can auto wire it from anywhere of this application. So we no need to create the object by using the new keyword. So simply I go in the controller package. I already created the class and as a order controller, and I will mark this as a REST controller, and I provide basic URL. So simply here I am providing order, and after that I'll create the method. Before creating method, I'll auto wire the REST template. Now I'll create the get method. I'll use the get mapping. Here I'll provide the path. For this, I'm just going with the basic path. So this is the base path. So we can access this method with base path. But how it will identify? Suppose we are using the get mapping. So for getting, this will identify. If for post, if we use, so same post will identify by post. So we can test from the get method, we can test from the any browser. But for post update and other method, we can use the Postman or Swagger. So for that, I'll create the video. So here I will create the public, provide the method signature, save, order, and from here I'll call to the order service, and we will call the controller is we will call the method of controller is product. Okay, so simply I will use here REST template. I'm sorry, REST template get for object. I'll provide the URL here. So I will provide the same URL as we used in a browser. Okay, so this is the URL. Right now I'm providing the ID dynamic, sorry, static. You can make this is based on your logic. You can make it as a dynamic, so you can append with any variable here. And this is the response type. Response type means what response the is product method return, or this service is returned. So this is returning true or false. So I will provide the boolean dot class. Okay, and I will use boolean is product. Okay, and if product is available, then it will return true. So I'll return for testing. Save, order, or in else I'll return product is not available. So I return product is not available from else block. Okay, now I'll run this application, same like right click on this and run as a Spring Boot F. Okay, I'll save this controller. Here you can see application started on port 808. Now we will test from the browser. So we will hit for this order service, and this order service hit to the this URL, and I mean this URL means product service or product service this controller URL, as we provided the product and ID as a dynamic, and hit to this method. If I provide the 11, then order saved. If I provide below 10, then we will get the message order saved. And if we will provide the above 10, then we will get the message order is not available. Okay, so application is started. Now I go on browser and we will test. Here we can provide the URL. So port number 80 or order. You can see order is saved. Okay, now I'll change the message and we will test. So now I'm changing the ID. So I'll change with 11 and save it, and I'll restart again the application. Application is started on port 808 again with the ID change 11. Now we will test it from browser. So we will test it from the browser. Order. So you can see we will get this message. So we are closing this video here. Thank